Hey guys, who here has ever had a cracked windshield in their Jeep?
Well, I know I have.
So today we're going to be installing the Windshield Defense by Racing Optics on the windshield of my Jeep Gladiator so I can keep driving.
Windshield Defense by Racing Optics is a single application, triple layered protective film for your windshield, similar to what you'd see with a cell phone screen protector, except this one can withstand rocks over 65 miles per hour. Each layer is designed to last 6 months or more. As you just saw me do, thoroughly clean the hood and windshield, removing any dust and debris. Apply the provided solution on the hood and the windshield. Clean again. It is recommended for you to install this in a garage without any vents or ceiling fans on to limit the amount of debris that gets on the film. Lay out the film, remove the liner layer to reveal the side with the adhesive. Next, you're going to want to use the provided solution and, being very generous, spray the windshield and the film, leaving absolutely no dry spots. With the help of a friend, lift the film and apply it to the windshield, leaving equal space around the perimeter of the windshield. Squeegee out the solution and air to complete the installation.
Go to racingopticsjeep.com and use code ChristyKnox to save $30 off today and never drive defenseless again.